Today I want to show you how I installed a remote control receiver for my workshop gates. First, I checked the model of the gate control system, and based on that I ordered a remote receiver module. In my case, I bought a cheap 2-channel receiver from Temu. It cost around €8. Only after the receiver arrived, I realized that the remote control was not included, and it has to be ordered separately. Luckily, I already had a compatible remote from another module, so I was able to use it. This receiver module works on 433 MHz, and it's exactly what I needed: 2 channels. 1 channel for moving the gate down, and the second channel for moving it up. To make it work, I programmed the receiver by setting the small DIP switches according to the remote control frequency and code. Here you can see how I matched the switch positions to the remote. The remote is a simple 2-button remote, which is perfect for this setup. For better range, I also installed my own antenna. The original antenna is just a wire, so I used a 17 centimeters copper wire as an antenna. Next, I needed power for the receiver. I used a small 12V DC power supply that I already had at home. 12V DC, 300 mA. This is enough for the receiver module. Now for wiring. My gate motor is 3-phase, but that doesn't matter here. We are only connecting to the control circuit. I opened the gate control box and connected the wiring for both channels. 1 channel controls up, and the second channel controls down. To make it easier, I opened the original wall switch control box and matched the wires by color. Here you can see how everything is connected. Both control channels, power supply, and the antenna. Now it's time to test it. Inside the workshop, it worked perfectly. The maximum range was around 9 meters. Outside, the maximum range was around 12 meters, which was a bit low, but still better than nothing. After doing some research, I decided to improve the antenna performance by connecting an extra wire from the power supply negative to the GND terminal on the receiver module. This creates a proper ground reference / counterpoise for the antenna, and it helps the receiver get a stronger signal. After this modification, the range improved to around 22 meters, working without any issues. I didn't test further because this distance is more than enough for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.